This is embarrassing.
Make it quick!
Mother's Day 2021.
Rafiki!
And on our way to Rafiki.
I know I seen your face somewhere, selling something, some big idea.
I got so wet!
I know I seen that vacant stare, selling sunsets with somebody else.
Daddy, I'm getting so wet!
Find yourself asking yourself, what is any other world? You find yourself looking up at night from the bottom of the earth.
Oh my God, you're crying!
No, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? And oh, did your sheep stop jumping to grow out their teeth? Did they need a little something more? And this taste of trouble on your lips, 'cause now they're biting at your thoughts. You tell yourself just to turn away, but you know you've already lost. The smell of rain when it's on the wind can never be paid in full. You try in vain to account for this mess and everything that you stole. No, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? No, did your sheep stop jumping to grow out their teeth? Did they need a little something more? And this is now they're biting at your feet. They got you running from this place. Now they're breathing down your neck. Your eyes look lonely in your face. See you looking just out of frame. What is it pulling you there? 'Cause things can never stay the same. So what is keeping you here? No, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? No, did your sheep stop jumping to grow out their teeth? You need a little something now. Every time you think, well, they'll be biting at your thoughts. And every time you blink, well, you'll be so damn far. But you are more than this. I know I seen your face somewhere.
What'd you find? What do you want to put in the jar?
Ginger shampoo.
Oh.
Yeah, so we can use as perfume.
Whoa, you almost got me. Mila, you try it. Wait, look.
Hello, welcome back to Kinkajou Sparkles tie-dye shirts activities. And we are going to do a tie-dye thingy. Yeah.
So we're gonna use the colors red, orange, yellow, green, turquoise, and purple. Can you say purple?
Shush!
Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Not too much. Like that. Hours later, now we're gonna wet them to see the
Finished
finish.
result.
Yes. It's gonna splash somebody. So pretty.
Let me see. Oh my God, that came out really, really good.
Mira el agua. Oh
that's great.
Oh my God, qué colores más divinos.
Looks like a sunset.
So I can add next and then put some ketchup and mustard. This is the one I'm most curious about.
I'm most curious. Wow, that's actually really pretty.
I think they look better than they did before.
That's so pretty, Daddy. Look.
Sunday afternoon. Mila, swim. Mila's right there. There. my best. You better pat him this time, Mila.